Very good morning, children. Today we are going to learn spreadsheet formulas and functions part 2. Today's topic is parts of Excel, introduction to formulas, formulas in Excel. Children, let us read one by one. Parts of the Excel window. The Excel screen has two windows which are nested one another. The larger of these windows is application window and the smaller window is the document window. Children, as you can observe the screen, the application window is the larger window which is the outer layer of the screen. The inner layer of the screen is known as document window, children. Application window of the Excel has the following components, children. First one is title bar. You can view on the screen. Title bar is on the top of the screen. It displays the name of the current document as book 1. As you name it, whatever name of the file is, that is visible on the title bar, children. On the title bar, it contains minimize button, maximize button and close buttons. Quick access toolbar. This is present on the title bar, children. This helps to do common tasks with just one click. You can see the options. What are the options available on the quick access toolbar? Redo, undo and save, children. Ribbon. The ribbon contains two parts, tabs and groups. Tabs are visible on the screen, children. File, home, insert, page layout, formulas, data, review and view. Groups are nothing but the alignments are there. Font, alignment, number, styles, cell and editing. Those are called groups. Formula bar. The formula bar is located below the ribbon. This bar shows the characters and formulas that you enter in the active cell. Name box. The name box is below the ribbon button and at the left side of the formula bar, children. This area displays the location of the cell pointer. Sheet tab. The worksheet names appear on sheet tab, children. The active sheet name is displayed in bold letters. You can move from one sheet to another by clicking at its tab. Status bar. It is located below the screen, children. It displays the current status of the cell and zoom option. Document window. What is called document window, children? Yes, an Excel document is called workbook. Each workbook contains many worksheets. The Excel document window displays the current active worksheets which we are working. Add sheets to your workbook. Children, present I am showing 3 ways to add sheets to your workbook, children, on the screen. The first way is right click on the insert option. A submenu will appear on the screen. There you can observe insert cells, insert sheet rows, insert sheet columns, insert sheet. Okay. If you want to insert worksheet, click insert worksheet, children. Understood? The second way is simply below the document window, upper the status bar, you can see the plus symbol, isn't it, children? You can click on that also. So your worksheet will be added to your screen. Like sheet 1 is there, it will come sheet 2. Okay. The third way is right click near the sheet. So you can observe a menu appeared on the screen. There also options are available to insert a sheet, rename a sheet, etc. Okay children. Delete a worksheet. Children, for deleting a worksheet also you can use two options. The first option is near the group tab. Right click. You can observe insert tab, delete and format. You can click delete worksheet. And the second one is right click on the worksheet tab, click delete. Your worksheet will be deleted. Introduction to formulas. Children, we used different formulas in maths, isn't it? So, in computers, in Excel, formulas are written different way. The formula can be entered directly in the cell or the formula bar. There are some important points to be noted while we are entering the formulas in Excel. A formula always starts with an equal to sign, and a formula is always entered in the cell where the result is to be displayed. Formulas in Excel. Children, for what purpose we use formulas? Yes, for calculations. So here formulas are used to perform calculations involving addition, subtraction, division, multiplication. A formula establishes a relationship between two or more cells. The formula must begin with equal to symbol, children. Elements of formula in Excel. It may contain a few or all the mentioned below elements, children. References. A cell or range of cells which you are including in your calculations are called references. Operators, symbols what we are using for calculation purpose, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication, percentage, etc. children. Constants, number or the text value that do not change. Functions, predefined formulas in Excel. Children, let us see the example. How the elements of the formulas used in Excel. Okay children. So, the number of items are mentioned in cell in the row A, and the cost of the item is represented in the B row. Okay children. So, as you can observe the screen, soap 50 rupees, oil 300, hand wash 125. So, the total of the three items is equal to sum of B1 is to B3. That is equal to subtotal is 475 children. And if you want to multiply it and take it as 24% using the arithmetic operations and the constant, what is the answer is 114. So here the cell references are B1 is to B3, arithmetic operation is the multiplication, constant is 24%, and the function is sum. Understood children? Task of the day children. Read from the video. What are the parts of Excel window? What is formula? Explain with the help of example. Children, thank you. We'll be meeting in the next class. Have a nice day.